Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your car refuses to shift into the correct gear. You press the clutch, shift again, but something feels off. You scan for trouble codes and P0914 appears. This code indicates an issue with the gate select position circuit, which can lead to erratic shifting or even transmission failure. In this video, I'll explain the causes, show you exactly where the sensor is located, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0914? DTC P0914 means the gate select position circuit is reading too high. This circuit helps the transmission control module identify the gear selection position. If it malfunctions, the vehicle may struggle to shift gears or even get stuck in one gear. Common symptoms of P0914: hard or delayed gear shifting, car stuck in one gear or neutral, check engine light on, transmission warning light activated, limp mode activation. Sensor and component location, very important. Gate select position, sensor location, mounted on the transmission housing, near the shift actuator, close to the gear selector linkage or inside the transmission assembly. Transmission control module typically located near the battery or under the dashboard. Some models have it inside the transmission valve body. Wiring harness and connectors run between the gate select sensor and the TCM, routed along the transmission casing under the vehicle. Always check your vehicle's service manual for exact component locations. What causes P0914? Faulty gate select position sensor. The sensor may be sending incorrect signals. Damaged wiring or connectors. Corroded or broken wires can disrupt signals. Transmission control module failure. A malfunctioning TCM can misread gear positions. Shift actuator issues or blown fuse or relay. How to fix P0914? Step 1. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, breaks, or loose connections. Step 2. Test the gate. Select position sensor. Use a multimeter to check for voltage inconsistencies. Step 3. Check the transmission control module. Scan for additional error codes. Step 4. Replace any faulty fuses or relays. Step 5. Reset the system. Disconnect the battery for 10 minutes and clear the code. Final words: ignoring P0914 can lead to serious transmission damage. Fixing it early can save you from costly repairs. For more OBD2 error codes, check out these videos. P0694, fan control circuit overcurrent, P0695, cooling fan 3 control circuit high. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.